How to check Instagram last seen status if hidden. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can find out Instagram's last seen status if it's hidden basically. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So if the last seen status of your Instagram account is actually hidden and maybe someone else has also hid it, how can you view their active status? So all you have to do is open up the Instagram application, go to the DMs page here, and you'll be able to see active 1 hour ago or active now, active 12 minutes ago, active 44 minutes ago, active 4 hours ago, active this much days ago, and so on, active 10 minutes ago, and similarly you have many other ones. So if the other person has actually hid it, what you can do is you'll basically get this inside of your DMs page, or else if the other person has hidden it, or even if including you have actually hid your own active status, you'll not be able to view other people's active status. So the only way you can actually view their active status if they've hidden it is to simply try to message them and then DM them and then try to say that enable them to go ahead and enable their active status. So how your friend can enable their active status is by coming to the profile page, tapping on the three lines, going to settings, going to privacy, going to the option called activated status, and then make sure that both of these toggles are actually turned on. So when this is turned on, your friend will also be able to view other people's active status. As a result, you'll also be able to view their own active status. So hope this video helped you answer the question as to how you can actually check the last seen status of your friends if it's hidden. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.